Your report card arrived!
Really? Where is it?
On the table. Come see.
Math, A. English, A. Science. I did it!
We are so proud of you, Maya. All A's. You worked very hard this year. Thank you. I studied every night for months.
You deserve something special. Close your eyes.
Open them now.
No, this is Hamspraz. This is beautiful.
For your studies.
For your future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You earned this, Maya. We are very proud.
We are so happy right now.
We love you both so much.
I love you too. I'm home. Do I have a report card too?
Yes, Tom. It came today.
Where is mine?
Here, come sit with us.
What?
What happened? Let's look at this together.
B minus, C, C plus. But Sarah got straight A's. Dad's gonna be so disappointed.
English, B minus. Math, C. History, C plus.
I did okay, right?
Tom, these grades are not your best work.
But I passed.
They're passing grades.
Passing is not the same as trying. We know you can do better.
We have a gift for you too, Tom.
An alarm clock?
To help you start your day on time.
Time is very important, Tom. Without respect for time, nothing else matters.
That's it? This teaches you something more valuable.
We believe in you, Tom. This is to help you.
I see.
Tom, come eat dinner, please.
I'm not hungry.
Mom made your favorite pasta. I said I'm not hungry. I said I'm not hungry.
Tom, please come sit with us.
I want to be alone.
What's wrong with Tom?
He's disappointed about his grades.
But we all fail sometimes, right?
Yes, Maya. But Tom doesn't see it that way right now.
I hate studying. Why should I even try? Maybe just for a minute. Okay, I don't have much time. I need to log in and find that file before Mom gets home. Just one game. Just one! What is happening? No, no, no!
I'm home. I need to work on my presentation. No!
No.
No, this cannot be real.
What? What is it? My files. They're gone. Everything is broken.
Maya, what happened?
My presentation. 1 week making it.
Gone.
How did this happen?
The computer has a virus.
I don't know anything about it.
Tom, are you sure?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. This is not my problem. Has everything anyway. Sound of her crying makes sick.
I cannot submit my work. Cannot participate.
Can you remake it?
Only 2 days. First time took week.
You can try, Maya. You are strong.
Even if I do, already lost chance.
It's okay, Maya. We're here for you.
We'll fix this together, sweetie.
I just don't understand why he did it.
Tom, I am taking your game device.
What? Why?
Your exam is 3 weeks. Focus studying.
This is unfair. You let Maya do whatever.
That is not true, Tom.
Yes, it is. You only care about her.
We care about both. Why are we doing this?
I hate this. I hate everything. I hate you. Just leave me alone. This stupid clock. This stupid gift. I hate this. I hate it.
This is completely unacceptable, Tom. How did this happen?
Tom, I don't care. Don't care about anything.
Son, that's enough. This is not about clock, is it?
No, it's about everything. About her.
Gets everything.
This breaks my heart to see this shattered. But we must learn that actions have consequences, children. You will fix this with own money.
And you will study alone, without distractions.
Fine. I don't need any of you. I failed math because didn't study. That truth. Not because Maya is smarter. Wasted my time.
I will finish this.
Tom, I made study corner for you.
Thank you, Mom.
You can do this, Tom. I believe in you.
She did this for me. Even after everything. Day 1. I studied for 30 minutes. That's good.
You are studying very hard, Tom.
I understand now. I wasted so much time.
You are changing, Tom. We see it.
Your work is better. I can see the difference.
Because I'm finally trying.
Like you do.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
I shouldn't have done that. I know I hurt her feelings, and I feel really bad about it. I hope she can forgive me.
Plead it. Please.
Tom,
I'm sorry, Maya. I'm so sorry.
Why did you do this?
Because I thought you were loved more than me. Because I felt like a failure. But that was not your fault. No, it wasn't.
I know that now.
I'm still hurt, Tom. But I see you're trying.
Can I help you remake your presentation? For next time? You want to help me? I want to understand how you work so hard. Okay, Tom, let's try. You rewrote this part 5 times? Yes. It needs to be clear. I thought you just sat down and it was perfect. No one is like that, Tom. Everyone needs to practice. My exam is today.
We know. You can do this.
You have studied well.
You have studied well.
I'm nervous.
Nervous is okay. Just do your best.
I will.
Go on, Tom. You're ready.
We're so proud of you.
Okay, Tom, you can do this. Just focus and breathe. I got an A-.
Tom, that's wonderful.
This is your real effort, Tom. We're proud.
You did it! You really did! I couldn't have without your help, Maya.
We are so incredibly proud of you, honey.
You did amazing out there. You did great today, son. Come on, let's go relax in the living room.
Okay, Dad.
This is your clock back, Tom.
The crack is still there.
Some mistakes leave marks, but they can also teach us.
You could have replaced it.
I could have, but I wanted you to remember.
Remember what?
That time is precious. Our choices matter. We can always begin again.
Thank you, Dad. I understand now.
Tom, we have something for you.
This is for me?
Yes, for your studies.
I don't feel disappointed this time. I feel grateful.
Because you understand what matters now.
Yes, I do. Time to start my homework. This clock will remind me every day. You're getting better at research, Tom.
You're a good teacher.
You're a good student now.
Thanks for helping me today, Maya.
I learned something this year.
I learned something this year.
What's that?
Family grows through mistakes and forgiveness.
Yes. And through second chances.
I'm glad you gave me a second chance. I'm glad you took it seriously.
Another day. Another chance to be better. Okay, I can figure this out. The third principle states that the integral of the square root must be isolated first.
Even when things break, you can still move forward.